Well, this is the 1978 Corvette 25th anniversary edition. Helping to put this 3-inch Flowmaster exhaust on, using the same Hobart 135 with the argon CO2 gas. And it's laying in here a little bit better. Some of this you can see whenever we hold up too much. This is previous welds that we were doing with flux core, but they started laying in pretty good. So, all right, that's pretty good. Not too bad. And if we come under here, this is where we've ended it so far. We gotta still do tips, but this is the left bank. You can see where it had to go through the cross member. Always a challenge on these old C3 Corvettes, but doing what we're doing. Not too shabby. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Talk to you later.